The RYA SafeTrx app provides all recreational boat users with an easily accessible and simple to use means that can inform HM Coast Guard of their voyage plans and dynamic location in the event of distress. In this video, we will look at some of the main features of RYA SafeTrx, including how to register on the app and on the website, how to add your vessel details, how to make sure your phone settings are correct, and an overview of the functionalities of the app. Step 1. Download the app. You can download the RYA SafeTrx app onto your phone from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Simply search for RYA SafeTrx. Step 2. Check your phone settings. To make the best use of the app, the following settings are recommended. Location services, which is under the privacy section in the phone settings, has to be switched on in order to capture your position data. Also check that the specific location services settings for RYA SafeTrx are set to always to ensure your SafeTrx trip continues to send position data while the phone is being used for other purposes. On iOS 14, precise location also has to be switched on. Mobile data has to be switched on in order to send tracking and trip information to the central RYA SafeTrx system. If abroad, data roaming also needs to be switched on if you wish to use the app. You will need to allow notifications in order to receive message and notification alerts from RYA SafeTrx. You will also need to give permission to access your camera or a photo library if you want to save or update a photo of your craft. On Android phones, there are a number of battery and data saving settings that may need to be adjusted so that the SafeTrx app keeps running while the phone is in use. For more information on these settings and other useful tips, please refer to the RYA SafeTrx user guide on the RYA website. Step 3. Register an account. Once the RYA SafeTrx app is installed on your phone, you'll need to register an account. To do this on the app, simply tap on the Register button and complete the details to create a new account. Alternatively, for users who do not wish to use the app, registration can be completed on the RYA SafeTrx website following a similar process. Once logged in, the home screen will appear. This is the main screen in the app where you can access all features. You'll see 4 buttons on the home screen. Using the Explorer button, you can find nearby ports, marinas, VHF channels, lifeboat stations, and check the sea area forecast. Tap the Sail Plan button to record a starting point, a destination, and an estimated time of arrival, an ETA. It sends SMS messages to your emergency contacts if you exceed your ETA. Use the Track Only button to quickly start your trip using the Track Only mode option. SMS messages are not sent to emergency contacts in this mode. And finally, the Call for Help button. You can use this button to call HM Coast Guard in the case of an emergency. Step 4. Register your vessel. Before you can start recording a trip on RYA SafeTrx, you will need to register your vessel details. To register a vessel on the app, first of all tap the menu icon, which is the icon with the 3 horizontal lines at the top of the screen, and choose My Profile. Then choose Vessels Crafts, and then add New Vessel Craft. Enter the vessel information according to the type of vessel that you have. Fields marked with an asterisk are required fields. When uploading a vessel photo, please ensure the image is in the format of a JPEG and is less than 6 megabytes. Clicking on Important Details for SAR actions reveals further vessel details which can be filled out. Click Save once completed. To register a vessel on the RYA SafeTrx website, log in and choose the Vessels and Checklists option. Then click Add and enter the details of the vessel. Fields marked with an asterisk are required fields. Next, click on the checkbox beside Important Details for SAR actions. This reveals further vessel details which can be completed. When uploading a vessel photo, please ensure the photo is in the format of a JPEG and is less than 6 megabytes. In your own interest and that of emergency services, please ensure your vessel and personal registration are as complete and kept up to date as much as possible. Step 5. Add emergency contacts. From the sidebar menu, which is the 3 horizontal lines at the top of the screen, choose My Profile. Then Emergency Contacts. Then Add New Contact. Fill in the necessary details and tap Save. On the website, choose the Emergency Contacts option. click on Add and enter the contact details. You can also edit your emergency contacts by clicking on the pen icon next to the emergency contact name. You are now registered and set up, ready to plan your trip. Check out the next video, which will explain how to set up a trip using RYA SafeTrx.